Hey guys, today we're going to be taking out this outhouse that's been here for many years and just really turned into an eyesore. So it's amongst all these bushes. So I put a tow rope behind it and then attached to this little nylon rope, and I think it'll hold the load, or it should, but we're going to try to budge it and move it out this way so we can end up burning the whole thing and getting rid of it, because just really doesn't look that great in there. So let's pull her out. So I want you guys to go down in the comment section right now and see if that rope was gonna hold. Just these two nylon ropes. You think they'll hold? Let's find out. Well, what's happening is it's coming untied, and it's really hard to tie this rope, and I wish I had another tow rope, but I don't at the moment. So let's tie it up again and see where it goes. Okay, there, it finally broke. So, well, it moved it a little bit. See back here, probably be better to move this rope, put it up towards the top, and that way it can flip over. Alright, let's give her another shot. Let's see what's inside.
There's an old door.
Some metal sheeting. That would be kind of nice to use.
Yeah. Old shingles.
And up here, well, just some pickets and not a whole heck of a lot. So, but at least it's out of there. Well, we did manage to find another few things of use. So we could use these little boards here for garden posts, and that may have been what they used them for before, because they have a little tapered end right here. It has a spike to go into the ground, and then they also had some metal stakes. So you can definitely use this stuff for something, and we're just gonna burn the rest. Really, it's all decayed, nasty, rotting wood, and can't really exactly use it for a whole heck of a lot. And there's a couple other things in there that we could probably salvage, or we just might burn instead as well. But I'm gonna drag it down to the garden and we're gonna burn it down there. I kind of shoved the outhouse a little bit further up on the fire. Hopefully all that extra wood will catch. I had a bunch of roots and part of an apple tree that we cut down to make room for the garden. But all that stuff needed to go. Hopefully this fire gets hot enough, and I think it will. Really starting to kick up now that I threw that whole thing on top. Now she's really going. You bet. Well guys, the fire's winding down now, but it's got a lot left to burn. Several hours left, and especially on them big chunks like that. And up there we got rid of the eyesore, and the old outhouse is gone. So thanks for watching, guys. I know it wasn't a crazy interesting video, but thought I'd just share it, and well, hope you enjoyed. God bless.